Welcome back to the second part of getting familiar with Canva's upgraded design tools. In part 1, we took a closer look at Canva's templates, how to upload your own images and videos using the Canva photo library within your project, and how to use elements, text and font combinations in your designs. In this lecture, I'll show you how you can use the Canva design panel to access your folders, app integrations, and how you can add music, videos and backgrounds to your designs. Let's get into it. So picking up where we left off, the next option on our design panel is music, where we can add music from Canva's music stock library to our designs. This is a relatively new feature in Canva and a really cool way to animate still visuals. Songs in the Music tab are split into genre and mood categories, so all we need to do is select a song and it loads into Canva. When we click on the song, we can see the full song length, and by dragging the highlighted section, we can select which part of the song plays in our design. We can also adjust the volume of the song and remove the song by clicking the little trash can. Okay? Next up on our design panel is the Videos tab, and this is where we can access Canva's stock video footage to add to our designs. Canva added the Videos tab toward the end of 2019, and this feature is great for integrating videos into your designs. Using the video stock library, we have the option to search for videos and can also scroll through some of the categories Canva has put together. We can also add music and video to our designs at the same time. Canva's video stock library is a great place to start when you're ready to begin using footage in your designs, but if you do want to create video designs, I do recommend using native videos, so videos of you or your business where you can. Okay, cool, let's move on. The next option on our design panel is background, and this is where we can access background colours, textures and images for our designs. For textures and image-based backgrounds, we can search in the search bar for specific ideas or scroll through the featured background options in the tab. To use background colours, we can click on one of the colours underneath the search bar or choose the exact colour we want by clicking on the little palette. When we select New Colour, we can enter the hex code of the colours we'd like to use, more on hex codes a little later, like one of our brand colours, into the colour rectangle. We can also adjust the shades of the colours in the large rectangle and then the colour in the smaller colour strip just underneath it. So the Folders tab is where we can access images, elements and visuals from our purchased and likes folders. In this course we won't be making any purchases. When I click on my likes folder, I can see the image I liked in a previous lecture. By clicking the image once, Canva automatically opens the image into my current page within my project, and this is how I can use images from my likes folder in my designs. The final tab in the Canva design panel is More, where we can access apps and integrations, and this is another relatively new feature in Canva 2020. By choosing to integrate Canva with one of our existing accounts, like Facebook, Instagram or Dropbox, we can upload our designs directly from Canva into our integrated app, speeding up the process from design to upload. We can also access features like generating QR codes directly inside of Canva, little more on this later, and embedding links to videos, podcasts, music and other posts directly into our designs. With Canva 2020, the possibilities feel more and more endless, and this is a really cool thing for us as entrepreneurs and small business owners. So now that we've taken a closer look into our Canva design panel, for the final part of this lecture, let's get into the white strip panel just above our design. This strip panel allows us to fine-tune edits to any one of the elements within our design and changes depending on what type of element we're working on. When I click on the text in my design, the white strip panel becomes text-orientated, kind of like Microsoft Word, allowing me to change font size, font color and orientation, alignment, upper lowercase, bullet point lists, and spacing between the letters. If I click on my background image, the white strip panel becomes more image-orientated, giving me options to add effects, filters, to adjust and color correct, and to crop and flip the selected image. While the left-hand side of the white strip panel changes depending on the kind of element selected, text or image, the right-hand side of the white strip panel stays the same. The right-hand side of the white strip panel includes options to duplicate a selected element, to change the position of the element from forward to backward placement, and to copy the style of a text element from one page to another. It also allows us to edit the transparency of an image, to add links to elements, as well as to lock designs and to discard elements we no longer want. We'll get to see these options in practice over the course of making our designs. And that's it for the Canva 2020 design panel. If that felt like a lot of information, please don't worry. This lecture was all about introducing you to the design possibilities Canva has to offer you. It's not about retaining every piece of information right now. Over this course, you'll learn how to quickly and easily put these tools to use to create professional branded visual designs that you can be truly proud of. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you in the next lecture.